Make up to $2,000 extra per month using Canva.com in 7 steps. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make up to $2,000 extra per month in 7 easy steps using a free website at no cost to you. Yeah, I'm serious. You can make up to $2,000 extra per month for free with these strategies. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button for more videos like this, and hit that bell icon to be notified when new videos are posted. Do it! So, what would an extra $2,000 per month do for you? Would you be able to afford a better house or apartment? Maybe even a new car? Maybe you would want to take a vacation? How about buying a new puppy? Stay tuned for upcoming steps on how to make an extra $2,000 per month with Canva in 7 easy steps. Step 1. Create an account with Canva.com. They have premium options available, but for this tutorial, you only need the free version. Step 2. Play around with Canva and get a feel for how to create logos. Businesses will pay up to $200 for a professional logo, so make sure you know how to navigate the website. Step 3. Create a business name and a business email. Create a business name for your logo making business. The name can be whatever you want it to be, but try to make the name unique and eye-catching for potential customers. Visit gmail.com and create a free email using your business name. You can reach out to businesses promoting your new logo business with this email. Step 4. Create a Facebook business page with your business name to promote your custom logo design. You will need a business page in order to receive orders from potential customers. In addition, set up a PayPal account. PayPal is something you will need for your clients to send you money. PayPal is more beneficial than other methods because it protects you and the buyer from being scammed. Step 5. Optimize your Facebook page. Set up your Facebook messages on your business page to include automatic replies. Write a detailed description in the About section of your Facebook page. This will improve your page's SEO and will drive more traffic to your Facebook page. Random fact. Let's take a short break to rest your mind and to provide you with a completely useless random fact. Did you know the unicorn is the national animal of Scotland due to its connection with dominance and chivalry, as well as purity and innocence in Celtic mythology? Now you know. Comment down below if you learned something new today. Okay, now back to the good stuff. Step 6. Reach out to local businesses. Avoid big brands like Walmart, Target, or Starbucks. My guess is that they probably don't want a homemade logo. Instead, reach out to your local plumbers, dentists, gyms, and chiropractors. You can reach out to them via Facebook or find their email listed on their Facebook or website, and reach out to them through your business email. Your email could state something like, "Hey, I design professional logos for established businesses located in your town at a discounted fee. Is this something you'd be interested in?" Or, "I love your brand presence, but your logo could use some work. I offer professional logo services for a one-time fee." You can be creative with how you reach out to these businesses. Step 7. Head to Canva to design the logos for your clients. Be creative with the colors and the font you choose. If you're having trouble designing on Canva, there are thousands of YouTube tutorials to check out. Once you have created the logo, save the file, send the file to your client via your business email, and collect your money. Watch the cash flow in. The money will add up quickly, and if you sell each logo for $200, with just 10 clients per month, you'll be making $2,000 every single month. If you're able to get 20 clients per month, you'll make $4,000 per month. Bonus tip. If you want to gain more traction through organic search on your Facebook business page and are tired of reaching out to local businesses, try Facebook ads. You can promote your Facebook page and reach up to 10,000 people per day with only $5 per day in ads. Plenty of Facebook ads tutorials can be found on YouTube. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you aren't already, or if you'd like to see more videos like this in the future. I hope you enjoyed this video on how you can make up to $2,000 per month with Canva by creating logos for local businesses.